Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter at home with raw milk. Begin by chilling raw milk, letting cream rise, then skimming cream into a clean jar for churning. Use a tight lid, shake, or use a churn until solids separate and you see buttermilk. Strain, wash the butter under cold water, then knead and salt to your taste. I will guide you step by step for safe, creamy results. Churning is where magic happens, and you can use a jar, hand mixer, or butter churn to get there. Keep the cream cold but not icy, and work steadily until you hear a slosh and see liquid separate. Once the butter clumps, scoop it into a bowl and wash under cold water to remove residual buttermilk. Press and knead to release extra liquid, then salt lightly for flavor and preservation. Adjusting flavor is simple and fun. Try a pinch of salt first, then build to your preference with herbs or sweet additions. Room temperature butter spreads easily, while chilled butter lasts longer. Freeze portions for longer storage. Always label with date and ingredients if you add flavors so you know freshness and allergens. I share tips for texture and timing to help you achieve creamy, spreadable butter every time with raw milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.